Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany, and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I just wanted to show you some Happy Mail that has been sitting on my desk for a few months now. I unexpectedly took a break from social media for a few months. Life just got extremely busy, and then all of the back to school madness going on, it was just way too much, so I just needed a break. But now that the kids are back in school, I have a routine going on, so I feel like I can get back to planning. So these items were sitting for a few months, so the stickers may be outdated, maybe like summer stickers. So I don't even know what is on here, and let's just dive right into it. This is from Martinez Sticker Company, so let's put these off to the side and let's open this one up. She also just released her what is it, her Halloween collection, and oh my goodness, I need to shop. Last year's collection was amazing, and so I need to shop around. But let's go ahead and open this up. We have her little business card here, super funny. And then we have the little freebie. I used one of her team reps codes, so this is the freebie that came with it. And then I got some clear dots. I love how vibrant these colors are. And then look at this. This is so cute. Such vibrant colors. These are so cute. Look at these. I love the little skate, the watermelon headphones, the florals. Everything is just way too cute. So then we have quotes. Asking for help is a sign of strength. You always pass failure on your way to success. Always be true to your feelings, because the more you deny what you feel, the stronger it becomes. If there is no struggle, there is no progress. And then we have like the waves. These are so pretty. Confidence is not I'm better than her. Confidence is I'm great, so is she. Be the woman who fixes another woman's crown without telling the world it was crooked. Behind every successful woman is a group of other successful women who have her back. You may not control all the events that happen to you, but you can decide not to be reduced by them. And then she gives us like florals and little stickers here, and these are on clear sticker paper, and I just love her quotes. They're always so inspirational and just motivating and uplifting, so I cannot wait to use those. And look at this one, the plant theme. I love this. Oh, look at this, the tub. That is really pretty. I love all the elements on here, so I'm definitely going to just try to back plan and maybe use this summer sticker sheet, these colorful dots, and I feel like I can use the quotes whenever, so that's not going to be a problem. And this isn't too summery, so I feel like I can use these for the fall as well. So make sure that you guys check out Martinez Sticker Company. Aime is so just creative, and I love her stickers, so make sure you guys check her out. Her information will be linked down below. So now let's go ahead and get into these two packages. These are from Casey from Pleasantly Planned, and I know she has a lot of great new items in her shop, so I'm excited to see what is on here. So let's check that I don't have any of my like invoice or address. Okay, so here they are. Well, this is a lot. Okay, so again, her shop will be linked down below, and this is her small sticker sheets. Let's see. So we have Brandy. I love this color right here. It is so pretty. And then we have Dana here, so more pastel and muted colors. So I feel like I could use this one for the fall. and probably even that one. Then we have Karen. She did name these after like people that are really supportive of her shop. So I believe that's what that was. Oh, and look at this, Independence Day. Totally missed this one, so I'll probably save it for next year. And then we have inspirational quotes too. Don't quit your daydream. Aim higher, dream bigger. Keep going, keep growing. The future depends on what you do today. Find yourself, and good things take time. I am always a sucker for great quotes, so I always love picking up quotes whenever I can. So then this is her bigger sticker sheets. So she offers them in the large sticker sheet and the small one. And with the large one, I always tend to get 2 of them because I tend to use her large sticker sheets in my Go Get a Girl planners. So here these are. And then we have Dana, again on clear sticker paper, and 2 of those. And then we have Karen. I love how the florals are in like this wooden box. Like, that is so pretty. And here we have Independence Day and 2 of those. And then we have Dana Blue and Brandy Blue as well. So these are the large sticker sheets and the small sticker sheets as well. And so I believe I see some new things. And she came out with her own, what are these inserts? So we have the vertical lined layout and the Miss Maker / productivity layout. So I'm excited that she has inserts now. You guys can make your own planner. And I love that these are punched already. And it says 32 here. I'm wondering if that's like the paper weight. And let's see. So I'm excited that she has inserts now, because if you're not aware, Go Get a Girl just announced that they are going to have a scallop-edged disc-bound planner. So I'm excited for that. So I might be switching things up. We'll just have to wait and see. So let's see. Okay, so we have the monthly layout here, nice and neutral. It's undated, so that is perfect. That way I don't feel bad for just opening up this package. It is not outdated. I can start it whenever. So this is her lined vertical, right? Vertical lined layout. So I love my lines. I cannot be without lines. I just need them. So this is perfect. A vertical lined layout. Beautiful. And I believe you're going to get 5 weeks of this. And then the notes page back here with lines, and then grid down here at the bottom. And then we're going to get to another monthly view and the weekly again. So I love that these are punched. The paper is great, nice and thick. And I believe maybe this is going to be 3 months worth of it. So again, the back, and then we start a new month. So here it is, and yeah. So that's going to be 3 months worth of inserts. So I love that it's undated. This is going to be perfect. So now that she has inserts, I may be switching up some of my planners. I don't know. We're just going to have to wait and see. So then we have the Miss Maker / productivity layout. Now let's look at this one. I'm excited that she is like branching out and offering new things in her shop. So I'm definitely here to support her and just be very supportive of her shop. So Miss Maker layout. So we're going to start off with the monthly view. Again, it is undated, super neutral, and I love that. Okay, so we have dot grid up here. It is very light. It is not like really bold and in your face. So it's there, but you can't see it that well, which I love. So then we have like this little checklist going on here in the middle. That is perfect. Like I said, I cannot be without lines, so even the dot grid helps me out to just write straight. And then I have lines here and then just lines down here. So I love this layout. Now that I see these, I don't know, I feel like I would love to maybe try this out as a social media planner, maybe? I don't know. I'm excited to dive in and just set up a planner and maybe even go back to discs. I have not used discs in like a year or even longer than that. I seriously can't even remember the last time that I used a disc-bound planner, but now that Go Getter Girl is going to come out with a disc-bound planner, and Planything Plan now has these disc-bound inserts, I may be getting into a disc-bound planner now. So I'm excited for these. I cannot wait to dive into one of these layouts. So let's actually put this off to the side because I still have this second package to open. So let me go ahead and use the scissors before I have trouble opening it again. I'm a little rusty with opening packages. Okay, there we go. So let me again check for, oh, actually we have the envelope in there. So let's open this now. And this one is gonna have like an invoice and all of that good stuff. So let me take that out. And let's go ahead and take a look. So this was sent from her, and she is the sweetest. And like I said, these may be outdated, but I feel like I can back plan and use these, if not save them, or they could even work for the fall. So I'm excited to see what's in here. Okay, let's see. So we had this blue one, Beloved, and we have gnomes, book gnomes. Look at how cute these are. Oh, they're reading books. This one's laying down up against books with a book. Oh, these are way too cute. Oh, boho summer. These are so pretty. Such vibrant colors. Oh, look at this one. Strawberries. I love that she offers the big sticker sheet and the smaller sticker sheet. Oh, I love this jar right here. These are so pretty. Oh, and look at some inspirational quotes. 3. So grow positive thoughts. Remember that you are amazing. Be kind to your mind. Be a voice, not an echo. Be a voice, not an echo. Okay, so 2 of those. Every day is a fresh start. Be thankful always. Remember that you are amazing. So I love that she did 2 of them for some of them. Very good. And let's take a look at these. So I always tend to get clear stickers, but she also offers paper stickers. So this is Beloved in the paper version, and then we also have it in the clear. So as you can see through it. This is the paper. So she does offer both of them, and she did start offering like colorful boxes in this style. So I'm excited to try out this new like setup and layout. These are gonna be perfect. And so we have this style as well, and then this one as well. So different choices. And then we have it in the pink version as well. And then we have Beloved too. So this one would go great with that sticker sheet. And here is this one. So I love the new format that she has going on now, and I think they're just gonna work much better. So let's see what we have here. We have Doting in the clear paper. I love the mixture of like the outline and then the florals that are like filled in. Very pretty. And so then we have it here in the paper version. And we have the colorful boxes to go with it. Here is the purple and just the different sizes that always go great with her stickers. I love these two colors. Very, very pretty. And let's see, let's take a look at this one. We have Endearing in the paper and the clear version as well. Such pretty colors. And we're going to have the colorful boxes as well, and these are definitely paper. We don't have clear ones in this one, which would make sense, right? Oh, and look at this one. This is such a pretty color, and look how it looks up against the stickers. Oh, that's so pretty. And she also did just have some new releases for the fall. So make sure that you guys check out Pleasantly Planned and Martinez Sticker Company. Like I said, all of their information will be linked down below. That way you guys can check them out. And I also have a code for Pleasantly Planned. I will have it linked down below as well, so you guys can save a little bit of money on that. Make sure that you guys check out her new inserts, because she has a ton. This is only two versions of that, but she has some other great layouts as well. So again, Martinez Sticker Company will also be linked down in the description box below, so make sure that you guys check them out. They have their Halloween and fall releases already out, and I just cannot wait to dive into all of these items. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.